Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and access. Ground yourself and unplug the Xbox One, then wait so capacitors discharge. Once done, flip the console, remove visible screws, and use a plastic opening tool to release clips. Don't force metal. Make sure to keep screws organized by location. As you lift the top cover, watch for ribbon cables. If one resists, stop and look for a hidden screw. These first steps expose the internal frame so you can reach the fan and heatsink without risking board damage. Now you disconnect the fan and remove shielding to access the heatsink. First, gently unplug the fan cable from the mainboard. You want to avoid bending pins. Once unplugged, remove the surrounding metal shields and set them aside in order. Next, locate the heatsink screws, typically spring-loaded, and remove them in a star pattern to release pressure evenly. Make sure to document which screws belong where. Keeping track prevents cross-threading and ensures you can reinstall the assembly correctly later. With screws out, lift the heatsink straight up. You'll feel resistance from the thermal paste. If it's stubborn, apply gentle heat with a hair dryer to loosen the bond and avoid prying at an angle. Once removed, inspect the CPU/GPU and clean old thermal compound using 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free cloth. When reinstalling, reapply fresh thermal paste and torque screws evenly. If the console won't boot or the fan doesn't spin, make sure connectors are seated and no screws are missing. Those checks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.